Good morning, and once again we are going to learn next part of our subject, that is industrial automation. So in previous lecture we have seen benefits and drawbacks of automation system. So now it's a time to learn about types of automations, or we can refer it as a automated manufacturing system and its types. So mostly the question may be there on this part, that is explain types of automation. So now we are going to study in details what are the types of automation system and what are their advantages, or what are particular their way of operation. So now let us start with these types. So as you can see, there are three main types of automations, that are fixed automation, programmable automation, and flexible automation. Let us start with fixed automation. So fixed automation is nothing but automation in which we require a fixed and repetitive operations, or in some industries the desired operations or desired output require fixed setup, and the task is repetitive, therefore it gives high production rate. And this type of automation uses dedicated equipments. It is very hard to change the production design, and therefore product variety is not available in this automation, but it increases the efficiency with higher production rates, and obvious it reduces per unit cost. So might be you are getting the idea. What is fixed automation? In fixed automation, what is whatever the setup or whatever the design strategy, that is remains fixed, and it is used for non-changing operation. So it is mostly suited to high production quantities, and it gives high production rate. And but these are the advantages. You can say that what is the advantage of fixed automation? That is, it gives high production rate, and therefore you can have a large volume of your production. And what is the drawback? You can say that in fixed automation there is no any scope for a change in product design. Therefore this type of automation is mainly used for non-changing operation or non-changing product. So let us move to next, that is a programmable automation. So what is programmable automation? If there is a need of changing some design of a product, then this type of automation is preferred. Means programmable type of automation is preferred. So this type of automation is used where product volume is medium. It's not too high, it's a medium. For example, paper mills, steel rolling mills. Sorry, I forgot to give the example of fixed automation. So paint shop, conveyor, these are the examples of fixed automation. And paper mills, steel rolling mills, these are the examples of programmable automation. So what you have to remember about programmable automation is, programmable automation is preferred when there is some little change in product is required, and where the demand is not too high, it's a medium. So what are the key points? Medium demand or medium production, and a little or some change in product. So these are the two most important key points in programmable automation. So you can have typical features, that is it is suitable for batch production, not too high, and there may be some changes that are in the product design. So let us move to the next, that is a flexible automation. So what is flexible automation? So in some industries, the product design is fastly changing. Means today you are required one particular product design, but after some days, means after a week, you have to design another. You have to make another design of your products. Means the product design is highly changing. But for this purpose, it gives a great flexibility into product design, and these changes can be performed quickly through command given into machine. So what are the examples of flexible automation? In some places it is also called as a soft automation. So you have to remember both the names, flexible and soft automation. So automatic guided vehicles or automobiles, multi-purpose CNC machines, these are the examples of flexible automation. So just go through the features: high investment for custom engineered systems, continuous production of variable mixed products, medium production rate, and flexible to deal with soft product variety. So what are the key points? Flexible automation is preferred when there is a great change in product design, and where the very not medium, a less quantity is required. So you can compare these three as a in fixed automation, or sometimes it is known as a hard automation. In fixed automation, no change in product design and very high product demand or very high production rate. In programmable automation, some change in product design and medium production rate. And in flexible or self automation, large change in product design and very less production rate. So in this way, you have to remember these three types of automation.